Found an 8BE file for Adobe Photoshop. This is a filter plugin adding effects and image processing to Photoshop. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Photoshop plugin filter files. To quickly determine if the 8BE file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. 8.BE files are filter plugins for Adobe Photoshop that add custom image processing effects and filters to the application. They provide specialized image manipulation capabilities, including artistic effects, color processing, distortions, and other transformations that extend Photoshop's built-in filter set. 8.BE files use Adobe's plugin SDK format, compiled as platform-specific binary modules implementing the Photoshop Filter API. The format includes filter parameters, preview rendering, and processing algorithms designed to integrate with Photoshop's filter pipeline through the standard plugin architecture. The designated application for the 8BE file is Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows offers restricted visibility, so interacting with the plugin depends on compatible software. Open the menu by right-clicking your 8BE file and choosing Open With. Try Adobe Photoshop first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If the 8BE file is still giving you trouble, relax. When the file is still closed, you're facing one of three standard issues. Let's run through this easy-to-read list of causes and checks. First, installing in Photoshop. Place 8BE files in Photoshop's plugins directory or filters subfolder within the plugin's location. Restart Photoshop to load the new filter, which becomes available through the filter menu. Most filter plugins include installer programs that automatically place files in the correct locations. Next, checking compatibility. Verify the 8BE plugin matches your Photoshop version, 32-bit or 64-bit architecture, and operating system. Older plugins may not work with modern Photoshop versions, requiring updated versions from the developer. Check developer websites for current compatible releases supporting current Photoshop releases. Finally, using filter functions. Access installed filters through Photoshop's filter menu. Finding the new plugin by name. Apply the filter to selected layers or selections, adjusting parameters in the filter dialog. Many filter plugins integrate with Photoshop's Smart Objects for non-destructive filter application throughout image editing workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.